There's no reason to lie to us when we're just trying to help. The only thing I was trying to do is help. You guys could have been long down the road, probably 15, 20 minutes ago down the road, if you would have just said, here's my ID, and been done, right?
Yes.
It would have solved so much. But you guys have...
No, he's going back and forth.
It adds.
Moving forward.
It's not all cops are bad, right? I've been very... it's okay.
No, you've been nothing like...
And I had a herniated disc. I mean, I kind of just...
Let me go check it real quick, okay. Brandon. All right. Hey, Brandon.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. I want to have you turn around for a minute. All right. Turn. No.
Hey, I'm
Brandon.
not going in cuffs.
Hold on.
Brandon, we're not doing this.
Brandon.
Listen to me.
Hey,
Brandon.
I'm not.
We're done.
I'm not going in cuffs.
Hey, Brandon.
We're done.
Stop.
No!
Brandon.
No!
Stop.
Brandon.
What?
Stop.
Stop.
If you don't stop, I'm adding charges to you.
Charged with resistance.
You're going to get extra charges.
Stop.
All right, Brandon, we're done. We're done.
Get your hand. Stop. Stop resisting.
Brandon.
Stop.
Christine, stay out of the car.
Do it.
Christine, stay out of the...
What are you doing?
Christine, stay out of the car.
Protecting me. We had bear spray.
Christine, please step backwards.
Stop.
Please hit.
Please let
Stop.
him
It's
go,
just a stupid...
please.
Christine, please step back.
I'm begging
Yes.
you.
Stop.
Christine,
Stop.
listen to me.
Please, I'm
I need you to
begging
stop. Please back up for me.
I'm begging you.
Back up for me.
Please, I'm begging you.
Stop.
Don't do
Christine.
this.
I can't.
We're gonna die.
No, you're not.
We
Christine,
are gonna die.
I need
They're
you to back.
trying to kill us. They tried to kill us in there.
Ducoin X.
Please don't. Please.
Ducoin X83. Send
Please.
additional.
Please don't.
You're gonna have to bear spray me.
Stop.
Christine, get out of that car. Christine, deal with her. Christine, back up.
I was in the military. You're gonna have to shoot me.
I'm not fucking going.
Stop shooting.
Hey!
Get him.
Ow!
On the ground.
Taser.
Hey, go back.
Christine, get back.
Go cuff him. Go cuff.
Shoot me in the head.
Christine, get back.
Stop it.
Oh, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. Gun. Ducoin X83. Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect. Officer shot. Officer shot.
Shots fired.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Go back. Go back. Get back. Get back behind my car.
Good. Where are my shots?